Start by going to Memberships, All Memberships, and click the blue button at the top right corner. Name the membership, select the sidebar orientation, and choose the layout design template. Here, you can also set your header and accent colors. Don't worry, you can always change these selections later in the membership builder. Click Create to see the membership configuration wizard. In this wizard, you will go through each of the tabs to configure the membership. Starting with settings, you can update membership details such as the description and image, which are shown on the login page. You can also set the promotional page, like your website, a sign-up, or purchase page. This can be an external URL or a Kartra page. Below that, you can set up password protection. If you don't want to password protect the membership, you can open access with no password required. Move to the next tab to launch the membership builder. At the top of the builder, you can manage the sidebar orientation, as well as the header and accent colors again. Below that, you can upload your logo. Next, edit the navigation menu. Here, you can add categories and subcategories to organize your membership. Access each area through the navigation menu. To create a new page in the membership, drag in a new post. Next, add blocks to the post. You can add headlines, text, images, videos, download buttons, and more. The first page of the membership site is always the home page. Use this page to add instructional details about the membership. To further customize the site, you can add top header items like an announcement bar or a marquee image. Sidebar blocks are also available to display throughout the membership site. When your membership is complete or you wish to pause, go to the Actions button to save and exit the builder. You can also update the layout design template while saving. Next, move on to the rest of the configuration tabs. In the Comments section, you can enable comment boxes to show at the bottom of posts for members to interact with. Next, go to Membership Access. You can create segmented access levels and toggle availability for each post per level, as well as release posts on a schedule, either after a certain number of days or on a specific date. Whether you create separate access levels or drip release posts, you can manage how these posts appear when locked and notify members when a post unlocks. Progress allows you to display a progress bar at the bottom of the membership area. You can make linear progression mandatory. Under Help Desk, enable a support icon in the membership and connect it to a Kartra-hosted help desk or an external support option. The Welcome tab controls the email sent when someone is granted access to the membership. Make sure to include the dynamic variables for login details, such as the login page, email, and password, so the system can populate them in the Welcome email. In the last tab, Automations, you can set up actions that trigger when someone is granted access to the membership. For example, assign tags to their profile, subscribe them to a mailing list, or add them to a sequence for automated emails. Additional basic automations can also be triggered based on actions that occur with this specific membership. When everything is set up, click the Publish button at the top right corner. Here at the top, you can modify the default login page for the membership. Edit the link to change the ending slug, connect a custom domain connected to your account, or use a custom login page.